Let's make Amapiano. Today I'm showing you how I made that beat. First I added some drum loops. Then I add another drum loop so I don't waste time making more drums. So this preset here I got it from PBA, produced by Antonio. Go search him, Antonio. You will find the best presets and best sounds. So I made this. Then I copy it and move it up an octave. Then I add this log drum piece from PBA and did this. Then I add some open heads. Claps from PBA. More open heads. And a bubbly log drum preset. Then I add a log drum. And some more shakers. Then I add this Justin 99 sound. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and comment, subscribe, and tell me what you think down in the comment section. Danko.